Hey y'all, welcome back to Amber Elsia. Before you even watch this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, easy, homemade, only 2 ingredient cookies and cream ice cream. Yep, Oreo ice cream. The ingredients you will need is heavy whipping cream, about 2 cups, vanilla extract, sweetened condensed milk, 1 can, Oreos or whatever topping of your choice, a mixer, and a bowl. And this recipe is only 2 ingredients. The only ingredients that are mandatory is the heavy whipping cream and the condensed milk. The toppings and the vanilla extract are optional, but they do make the ice cream taste better. You want to mix your heavy whipping cream for about 10 minutes on high speed. You're trying to basically make whipped cream or the consistency of Cool Whip. Y'all see my multitasking skills, having to open a cheese stick while mixing ice cream? Now that's mom life. So in my last video, I told y'all about how I really had to push through in order to start recording again. It's like for the past day or 2, I just have not felt like picking up the camera or editing any videos, but I knew that I had to keep a promise to myself because this is really helping me out. My channel has been a real big blessing in my life, and I pray that it is for you too. Do you know that pride will have you carrying everything alone, looking strong on the outside but falling apart inside? You'll smile, serve, pour into everyone, and still feel unseen. But let me tell you, it's okay to admit you're tired. It's okay to say, I can't do this without God. James 4:10 says, humble yourselves before the Lord, and He will lift you up. Letting go of pride doesn't make you weak. It opens the door for healing, help, and real peace. You don't have to be perfect to be powerful. Just be real. God will handle the rest. And y'all, we would have had more Oreos than this, but the kids had already started eating them. Now you want to put this in the freezer for about 6 hours or overnight, and I'll show y'all the finished results. Now this is some butter pecan ice cream that I made the same way. I'll get that recipe to y'all soon. But I just wanted to show y'all the consistency of how the ice cream turns out. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, leave me a heart in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.